This is Priyanka Garg, live reporting from Ghar Tak. Today we are going to take an interview of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, today we would like to ask some questions on our viewers' choice.
Okay.
And my first question is, what type of India do you want?
I always wanted India to be secular and independent, and finally my dream has come true.
Okay, sir. What kind of student you were?
I was actually a prolific student, earning doctorates in economics from both Columbia University and the London School of Economics. I also gained a reputation for my research in law, economics, and political science.
As we know that you have given us the Indian Constitution, you have written us for Indian Constitution. That was such a proud moment for us. But sir, we like to know that who gave you inspiration, from where you get the inspiration to demolish this kind of discrimination.
I would like to tell you an incident of my childhood. Since my childhood, I have seen my parents struggling. They were always treated as untouchables and they always suffered from the discrimination. One day, I asked my mom that why there is such kind of discrimination, and then she said that it must have been written in some book. And from that day, I determined that whenever I will write a book, I will give equal rights to everyone, and that was my inspiration.
Okay, sir. Now tell us something about your life and your school time.
I was born in a Mahar family, and my family in those days was treated as an untouchable, and they were sometimes subjected to socio-economic discrimination. In my school days, I remember my friends did not like to eat beside me. Even my teachers did not want to touch my copies because I came from a family that was treated as unclean. So my life in those days was very tough.
Thank you, sir, for coming on our channel, for giving us such a precious time of yours. Last but not the least, please give some message to our viewers.
My message to the viewers is life is great rather than long. If I find the Constitution being misused, I will be the first one to burn it. Hello, I am Bhumi Garg reporting live from Ghar Tak, and today I am going to tell you about Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he is also known as the father of the Indian Constitution. He wrote 3 books on economics. It took him 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to write the whole constitution. He is a legacy and his contribution to India is unforgettable. We all Indians salute Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar for his contribution to India.